How to fix we're having trouble activating Office error on Windows. 1. Activate Microsoft Office 2021 or Office 365 via Microsoft Office Activation Wizard. 2. Check and improve internet and network connection, if needed. 3. Run Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool. 4. Purchase Office license. 5. Contact Microsoft Support. 6. Other tips that may help troubleshoot Office activation problems and errors: check Office subscription status or make sure to use the right account. Use Microsoft Office Activation Troubleshooter. Use a valid key, and where find the key in your Microsoft account. Troubleshoot subscription notice. Switching Office 365 subscription plan. Installing Office for 2 different countries. Office HUP account.